Today's topic is all about fractions.
In this discussion, you will learn what are fractions and what are the types of fractions. Do you know what are fractions? Fractions are numbers which are in the form of A over B, where A is called the numerator, which may be any integer, while B is called the denominator, which may be any integer greater than 0. Fraction also defined as part of a whole. Here is an example of a fraction. Again, a fraction has two parts. The number on the top of the line is called the numerator. It tells how many equal parts of the whole or a collection are taken. The number below the line is called the denominator. It shows the total divisible number of equal parts the whole into, or the total number of equal parts which are there in a collection. Example, there are total of 4 children in the family. 1 out of 4 is a girl. So the fraction of a girl in the family is 1 over 4. Or we should say 1/4. Do you have an idea what are the types of fractions? Together, we will find out the answer to that question. These are the types of fractions. We have simple fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction, simplified fraction, reciprocal, complex fraction, an integer represented as fraction, similar fraction, zero fraction, undefined fraction, indeterminate fraction, and last, mixed fraction. The first one is simple fraction, a fraction in which the numerator and denominator are both integers. This is also known as a common fraction. Examples: 2/3 and 6/7. The second one is the proper fraction. Proper fraction is one where the numerator is smaller than denominator. Examples: 4/7 and 2/3. The next one is the improper fraction. Improper fraction is one where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Examples are 5/3 and 15/4. The next one, we have unit fraction. Unit fraction is a fraction with unity for its numerator and positive integer for its denominator. Examples are 1/8 and 1/10. The next is simplified fraction. Simplified fraction, a fraction whose numerator and denominator are integers and their greatest common factor is 1. Examples are 1/4 and 7/11. Let's proceed to the next one. We have the reciprocal. Reciprocal is a fraction that results from interchanging the numerator and denominator. Example, 3/4 is the reciprocal of 4/3. The next one, we have complex fraction.
Complex fraction, a fraction in which the numerator or denominator or both are fractions. Examples are 1/7 2/5 and negative 3/8 and negative 8 3/4. Let's move to the next type, an integer represented as fraction. It is a fraction in which the denominator is 1. Examples: 8/1 and 9/1. The next one, we have the similar fraction. Similar fraction, two or more simple fractions that have the same denominator. Examples: 1/8 and 5/8 and 7/8. Let's proceed to the next one, the zero fraction. Zero fraction, a fraction in which the numerator is 0. A zero fraction is equal to 0. Examples: 0/3 and 0/9. The next one is undefined fraction. Undefined fraction is a fraction with a denominator of 0. The example below means that 12 is divided by 0, which is an impossibility because nothing can be divided by 0. Example: 12/0. Let's move to indeterminate fraction. Indeterminate fraction is a fraction which has no quantitative meaning. Example: 0/0. For the last type of fraction, we have the mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is defined as a fraction formed by combining a whole number and a fraction. Examples: 8 and 7/9, 5 and 3/21. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. For more updates, just click the notification bell down below. Bye-bye. God bless.